God will do something beyond what you can ask or imagine. That's why nagsiring sa nga author nga, what shall we say then? Death, demons, angels, who can separate us from the love of God? Nothing can separate us from the love of God. Hello? Diri angel, diri demons, neither death nor life, nothing. Karog signon, gugma Ginoo, waray makakakuha, waray makakasnatch, gugmaan Ginoo kada usa aton. Nothing can be able to separate us from the love of God. Wow. So dito gugma Ginoo, nga ginhugugma talaga kita Ginoo. So God provide a way out. God is faithful. Then kung may the temptations, what are we going to do? Let us go back to Him. Amot aton kanta kanina, saying, Lord, I need you. Lord, I need you. We need God more than ever before.